Hello traders, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that after this strong impulse on gold in the beginning of trading week, now gold is in a pullback that can give us another trading opportunity. Now first let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame. Now, looking at first of all monthly perspective on gold, we see that monthly gold is currently strongly bullish. Now, if you closely look at in that zone, couple of months candlestick pattern, we see that after this monthly strong impulse on gold, previous months has a correction. Now, with that correction, gold has come back to this monthly level of support. Now this support is quite significant as there is a weakless candle and gap opening, and from that zone previous months again gold has penetrated that support, grabbed liquidity, and then closed above this support. As a result, this month we have seen that gold again penetrated that same level of support, grab liquidity, again created a higher low, and we see that boost again pushing that market high. Now with that push, what we can expect now, gold to go ahead and test the monthly level of resistance again. As you can see, it's a historically bullish market, and as you can see on the lower time frame as well, we see that a strong bullish momentum. Gold highly likely will go ahead and test this resistance zone on the monthly perspective. Now looking at weekly perspective, we see that gold is predictably bullish. We have seen previous week there was a strong bullish momentum from this weekly level of support. With this doji, it acted here as a resistance here, the same level acted here as a support, and from that support we have seen back to back there is a strong bullish engulfer followed by a pin bar bullish candle, in fact has given a strong momentum in this level of support. As a result, this week what we have seen that gold open with a gap and then created this strong impulse to the upside. With that impulse, what we can see that gold currently showing a strong bullish momentum, and we see that on the weekly perspective gold form an inverted head and shoulder, giving a possibility for gold to push to the upside to create a new higher high in this market. So let's look at daily how it is doing. Now from the daily perspective, we see there is a big impulse from this support zone last day of trading week. This is the last candle. We have seen a very strong bullish engulfer with a weakless candle. This is the first candle of the starting of trading week. Now today, once the market open, we have seen slowly the price coming down, which is a lower time frame retracement of this move. What I think that gold highly likely will continue to rise up as this is a strongly bullish market. We even might see a daily doji along the zone. As the momentum is high, we can expect further bullish move on the lower time frame on gold. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we see that yesterday there was a very strong momentum. The price reached this lower time frame, this monthly and daily resistance. So if you draw this level here, we see that this is the resistance zone where today so far gold is in a pullback after this impulse pullback. Now this current sessions candle, we see this red candle is an inverted hammer which is closing an hour 10 minutes. Looks like that this market after breaking this low, creating a doji, we might see another bullish momentum to the upside. As you can see, if gold this current candle managed to close as a doji, we could potentially see that gold might keep going again, another bullish move to the upside respecting this previous resistance zone, turning support here. So you see there is an important level here at 1894, which is the top of this doji, and also along this previous support zone we can find significant trading opportunity along this zone. So if you draw this level, you see that gold currently forming a doji above this support level. We'll be waiting for this candle to be closed as a doji. Now with that closing as a doji can give us a possible bullish momentum again on gold. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity on the closing of this candle, as according to the rules of our strategies, we'll consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you